Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So my name is Ilah Mishra 1812183 and I'm partnering with Muhammad Zaim Takiuddin 1714113. So this is our final project. So this we will see in the coding first. So for the firstly we initialize all the pin to the Arduino. And then this I is for time counter, door is for the door status, and also person is used to calculate the maximum person. So in this import setup, we initiate, we define whether the pin is going to be output or input. So in this void loop, this our main code here. It will run repeatedly. So the firstly, we use while loop to calculate the persons, and we initialize the temp, the temperature sensor, the UDS sensor, and then we start with the if loop for the temperature. So when less than 36.5, we will print please recheck temperature, and the PWM will equal to 0, and only the yellow LED will blink. So same goes to the more than 37.5 degree. So but in this 37.5 degree, it will the buzzer will be produce a sound which is 700 Hz. So else, so in the 36.5 to 37.5 range, sorry, 5 range. So this will go to in this else loop we'll have another if loop, if else loop. So another if else loop is used to calculate the distance from the UDS. So from the requirement, only 10 cm to 15 cm will be open. So for this we assign the door will be open in 3 seconds. So the motor A, which is this, will go into positive direction, and the motor B will go into negative direction. So this is clockwise direction, is counterclockwise direction. So this is the loop after the door is open. So when the door is open and this, the requirement is met, so the door will give a value of 1. So if the door value of 1, so after the door is open, the door will stop. So when there is a person, when the door is open, and also when there is no person when the door is open and not in the range of 10 to 15 cm, the door will close. So this is counter, this for warning. There is you say there is no people, and the door will be closing in 10 seconds. So after 10 seconds, the door will be closed in 3 seconds. So after 3 seconds, after 10 seconds, the door will close back. So the motor A will run in negative direction. So the motor B will run into positive direction for 5 seconds. So same with door open, it will run in 5 seconds. So after the door is closed, the person is set. So after that, this is for the blinking LED code. So when the person has maximum people, which is 15, so it will go in this loop, which is the maximum people in the lab, and then the program and our program will stop. So it will allow only 15 people in the lab in one session. So this is our code for calculate the distance travel. So this are our demonstration. Okay, go website. Okay, firstly we will calculate the temperature. So as we know, yes, it's below 36.5, the yellow light, the yellow LED will be blinking. So when it's higher, it will produce a sound. So the red LED will be blinking. So this our display is in the serial monitor. So to get the ni, is very small value, between 36 and okay, alright. So now the temperature is 36.91 temperature degree. And then okay, so now it will go to the UDS sensor. So UDS sensor will be open within 10 to 15 seconds. So if in is the 10 in 12 cm, okay, the door will be open in 3 seconds. So after second, this is positive, this is negative. We run in 5 seconds. So you will stay on that, you will stop and then stay on that, the door will stay open until there is no person in the range between 10 to 15. So this is 4 cm, the door will be closed. So it is the warning countdown. Okay, so after 10 seconds, notice that the door will close in 3 seconds. Notice that this is negative direction, this is positive direction. So the door will be closed again. So we will calculate the first person, which is 1/15. So next, if we there is person again and he is healthy, we will open back in 3 seconds. So notice this is the motor is positive, and the motor B is negative. So we will print to proceed until there is no person, okay, within that range, within 10 to 15 range. So motor will give another warning, the system will give another warning. So after 10 seconds and close in 30 seconds, then this is a negative direction and this is a positive direction. So you calculate so the number of percent will be 2/15. So same goes if we have we move this and then okay, and then we go back into okay, so go back into this to healthy, then this is a person to enter, so the door will open. So positive, negative, and then the person is enter. So there is no person within the range. We will be close. So after the motor we are done in negative, this is positive. So the percent we calculate it will be +1. So 3/15. So this system will repeat until have 15% maximum, and then it will print the maximum, which is this, the maximum people is in the lab, and then the program will stop. So that's all for our projects. Thank you.